What's up, guys, and good morning from the Liberty of the Seas. Today we're docking in Coco Cay. Well, we're actually docked. Let's go up and take a look really quick. Oh boy. Look! There it is, way off in the distance. We'll have to get a better shot upstairs, but we're back with Independence of the Seas today. We're gonna head up and get some breakfast this morning up at the Windjammer and kind of go over our day's activities. Of course, it is gonna be a perfect day. A perfect day at Coco Cay. Let's do it. Ooh, it's lively this morning up here. Everybody's ready to get off. Thank you. Washi washi before yummy yummy. Are you ready for some breaking fast? Breaking fast.
Oh yeah.
Breaking fast.
I'm ready to break my fast.
I don't understand this whole jade thing. Like, is this something else at night and they're just using this as a buffet? I don't get it. Windjammer and jade. What is jade? I know what the Windjammer is. Maybe if you know, will you leave a comment down below? Let me know. What is it? I know, look at those chocolate croissants. Those look good.
They had sprinkles with the, oh, they're back there.
Yeah, they're back there. They're in the back there. They're getting ready to put some out, I think. Look at all that bacon. It is not on a vacation. Some sausage. Okay, the eggs look better today. So maybe I'll try a little. All right, breakfast time today. Just about everything I think so far has been really good. The eggs are much better today. I didn't care for the eggs yesterday. They looked really, really runny. Today they were cooked good, so I got some, and they are good. They don't taste fake or anything like that. The donut still a flop, which is very disappointing because I've never had that happen on Royal Caribbean. Like, the donuts have always been really, really good. As you may know, they spent $1 million on research and design and perfecting those donuts. And I've mentioned that before, so it really is disappointing that they just aren't living up to it this cruise. So, oh well, we got one more breakfast to go. Maybe tomorrow they'll be amazing. I'm not gonna hold my breath though. Squeeze. We have totally missed this. I guess it's just a bar.
It looks like a regular bar.
Huh?
It looks like a regular.
Yeah. Over there's Independence. Gosh, when were we on that ship? 2019, I think. Look at that. Love it. Love it. It's basically a carbon copy of this one, but I think a little better, if I'm being honest with you.
Coming back to Port Canaveral with you.
What's wrong with you?
Saved me a 3-hour drive.
That one is out of Port Canaveral. We came on Liberty because we wanted to check out a new ship, but man, I have to tell you, especially being right here beside of her, we are missing Independence a little bit. Let's go! We got all of our belongings. We're ready to go. Ooh, busy down here. Got these little Coco Cay vehicles out. Oh, they're solar powered. I don't think I remember them being solar powered. Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice little addition. Wow, between two monsters. Here we are, back in Coco Cay. I'm so happy to be back. So they got like a little, play structure here. This one is free, so you don't have to book the pass or anything. The Thrill Water Park. The Thrill Water Park is back behind this. We've done that. It was so fun. Oh my gosh. Those stairs though, oh my God, you remember how many stairs that was?
I've never done that.
You've never done that?
No.
Oh, I thought you've done that, Pete. Oh,
No,
that's
you were here
so
with,
fun. With Cullen and Alyssa, that's right. We gotta do that one time for you then.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, you gotta get up there and do that. That Daredevil's Peak right there, man.
That's a lot of stairs.
It's a lot of stairs. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's so fun. It's so fun. So we're coming in, we're gonna go check out the pool, I think, first. Try and set up a little base camp there for the morning, and then the afternoon, we'll set up a base camp by the beach. Not sure which beach yet, but that's the plan right now. Trying to get the best of both worlds in today. Here we go. Here's the pool. Beautiful. Look at this. We have 2 Freedom class ships in today, so we'll see how busy it is. I wonder how cold that water is too. I bet you it's a little chilly. Found us a good spot here. Found us a spot with an umbrella. Check that out. And a palm tree, that's right. So we really got 2 umbrellas. Yeah. Got one natural and one man-made. Here we go. So we're right by the pool here. You could just see it, you know, right out there. And yeah, this is gonna be our spot for the next little bit. We'll chill here, have some drinks, soak up the sun, enjoy the music, and yeah, just chillaxing here today in Coco Cay. We're on a little adventure for agua. So we're just coming over to Skipper's Grill, grab some water. And they usually have some like flavored water as well, some juices and things. We'll check it out. Here we go. So yeah, they got lemonade, tropical mango, strawberry kiwi, and water. That's what we got today. Alrighty, let's check out the pool today, see what the temps are like. I bet you it's cold. I bet you it's, oh my God. Yeah, it's cold. It's cold. It's chilly. That's okay. We're gonna get in. I like, here at the Oasis Lagoon, which this is, Peter, if you didn't know, the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean, I think, right? Or is it North America? Which one is it? Now I'm not sure. I think it's the Caribbean, yeah. Really, really nice big pool here. It's freshwater, so that's nice. And I also have this like rubber floor, so you can't probably tell. It probably just looks like a normal pool to you, but take my word for it. The pool is not like a plaster style, like hard concrete. It's soft rubber for the kids and for your feet. It makes for a really nice, nice pool day today. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, no. Come on, feet. Now your turn. Your turn. You can do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my God. Woo. It takes your breath away. Yeah, once you get in, it's really not bad. Woo. Yeah, like especially on a nice sunny day like today. I think if it was like overcast, it probably wouldn't be all that nice. Yeah. But we've got a nice sunny day today. It is really nice. You want to go visit the swim up bar? Want to go see it? Yes. We don't have our room key. Yeah, we can't get anything, but we can go see it at least. We're gonna have lunch here in just a few minutes, I think. That's a good question. Maybe we should go ask. I bet you guys had that question too. Wonder if we could charge the room, or do you have to have your room key? Let's see. You can. Hi, buddy. Cheers. So that did, in fact, work. So we just walked up there and I asked him if we could charge the room. He said yes. And then he pulled up our room number. Well, I asked for our ship first and then pulled up our room number. And it had a picture of me and Peter in there. So just so you know, you can't charge somebody else's room. You can only charge your room. But you can do that here, so that's really nice. You don't have to worry about taking your card with you, your key, and possibly losing it in the pool. Just leave it in the bag, and you can order drinks in the pool with your room number. It is time for lunch today. We're gonna go to Skipper's Grill today. Lunch hours today, 11:30 to 3. And let's see what we got here today. Oh man, check those out. Oh, those look good. We gotta sanitize our hands. Okay, burgers and hot dogs, some corn and barbecue chicken there, a little bit of French fry action going on. This is on the main grill line, and it's the same thing down here. So they have several stations of the same thing, so it kind of helps spread people out. That looks good. Shaved ribeye cheesesteak sandwich. Wow, I'm gonna have to try that. You got a Cuban as well, or a portobello and mozzarella sandwich. Dang. And same thing over here on this side, and then over here, I guess this is like your different salads. We got a tomato cucumber salad, a Caesar, just some spring mix there, country potato salad. Same thing on this side. And over here they got the good stuff. So we got a taco bar area. Check this out. So you've got a couple different kinds of meats. So chicken carnitas, pork carnitas, corn tortillas. Let's see, we've also got rice and beans down here. And then just behind it, you've got all your toppings. So anything that you could want to put on this, pretty much they've got it for you. You've got cheese, guac, jalapenos, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles. Oh my goodness, a whole line of toppings here. Oh, excuse me. And then on this side, we've got some salsas, some limes, cilantro. Good stuff, huh, Pete? Good stuff. All right, let's get a plate. Look at these ribeye sandwiches here. Oh. Shaved ribeye cheesesteaks. I think I'm gonna have to try that today. It looks really good to me. I think I'm gonna have to try it. So let's get some plates, find us a table, and dig in today. All right, here's plate number 2 for me. This was my favorite. So the tacos I really liked, the barbecue chicken I loved. So I've got that. Are you going back up for seconds, or is it time for dessert for you?
It's time for the caramel.
I know you were saving some room there for that brownie. You're gonna get 1, 2, or 10. What's it gonna be, huh?
I'm gonna start with 1 and go from there.
And go from there. All right. And then over here at the dessert round, this is what we've got. These are my favorite for sure. Peter said the cookies are good today too, though, so I'll probably have to get some of both. Why not? It's the last day. So dessert is on the table. Peter, 100%, you were correct on those brownies, buddy. They are bomb.com today. Wow, wow, wow. So good, so fresh. It's so fudgy. So if you don't like a fudgy brownie, I wouldn't recommend getting these, because I mean, I don't know if you can see it. It's like pure fudge in there. There is nothing else, okay? I love it. 10 out of 10 for me. Trolley stop. Oh, look at this. It's like a little bar they got in a little camper. That's neat. Yeah, here's the tram station for, I think this is for Chill Island, which is where we're gonna go for a few minutes. We're gonna go, yeah, we're gonna go chill and relax over here at Chill Island. We found us a spot over here. I guess this is Chill Island, right?
Chill Beach, yeah.
Is this Chill Beach? Chill Beach over here in Chill Island. And that is just what we are doing. We are chilling, just chilling. Feels good, feels great. Letting our food digest. I think we might go get out in the water though in a minute. Gotta go see what that ocean's like one more time. They're already sending us notifications, y'all, believe it or not. They're already letting us know that we gotta get off tomorrow. It's sickening. It's really sickening. All right, let's see. You ready?
I'm ready.
Is it gonna be cold? Oh my God. No, I think it's about the same. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's chilly. Chilly, chilly, chilly. We are on Chill Island. They are holding up to the name, that's for sure. Yeah. Look, you get a neat view of the ship from here. It's like over there in the distance. He's like, come here, Pete. You get a good view of the ship. I'm trying to get him in, y'all. Look at him. He's hating life right now. Come here. You think you're gonna get me? Look at us. Look at us.
Look at us go.
Look at us having fun. How about it? So we're gonna go and ride the, what is that called? The tidal wave slide? Yeah. We're gonna go check that out. You know, today is our last day, so we gotta, even though we gotta go back and pack and you know, get ready to leave tomorrow, and of course we have a full night of activities, we wanna make sure that we check out that slide, because that was one of the bigger reasons that we booked Liberty over like another ship, is because that slide is unique, I think, to Liberty. So we're gonna get back on board, we're keeping our bathing suits on, we're keeping the fun going, so you stay right there. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video so far for me. Oh, and before I I always get asked so many questions about my sunglasses. You guys really seem to like those, and I hope you do, because it's actually my brand. I own these with Griff and Alyssa. If you want to get your own pair, click on the eye blinking at the top of this video, or go to hellosunshine.club.